It's been 10 years since we first brought Spice Tree to the world, our malt whiskey, which we originally made using a secondary maturation technique using French oak interstaves. It was shortly after release declared not a legal whiskey by the powers that be, and it forced us to take it off the market for several years. We came up with a way to use that new French oak in a way that was acceptable to those powers, and it allowed us to bring Spice Tree back to the market after several years. Well, it's been 10 years since we first brought it to the market, and to celebrate that, we're launching a limited edition whiskey called Spice Tree Extravaganza. This is basically, as one of my friends said recently, Spice Tree in an evening dress. This is Spice Tree, core Spice Tree French oak aged whiskeys with the addition of older malt whiskeys aged in sherry butts. So that sherry, dried fruit sherry character melds really beautifully with the underlying Spice Tree spice characters, the clove, the ginger that French oak brings to malt whiskeys. Several different malt whiskeys used in this from distilleries, malt whiskeys from the distilleries such as the Kleinleich Distillery, the Ben Rinnes Distillery, Glenor Distillery, Alta Ben Distillery. Bottled at 46%, rich and unctuous, and with an extremely long finish from the combination of that sherry and the French oak. Pretty special stuff, we think. And here's 10 years of showing the world different ways to age Scotch whiskey.